Okay, so guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to write a DFS function. I made a tutorial on a super easy way to write binary search without midpoint and boundary manipulation. So I thought this time I would show you some cool tricks how you can write your DFS. So normally you might write DFS like this and you pass in some parameters. Maybe like you're passing the parent and then you have your current node, right? Which is fine. But there's another way. And this way you do it like this. You use a self-referencing lambda. And well, Copilot just completed for me. But yes, this is basically what you do. So the benefit of this is that you can capture any local variables. So for example, if you read in some parameters, right? And maybe you read in some array, and then see, there you go. It's so smart. But wait, what the frick? What am I doing? But yeah. So now you can directly reference A. And I guess some people they do like global declaration of A like this. But if you're doing it this way, if you just read everything to a local variable inside main, then this is pretty useful. So this is how you can write it in like C++17. Now, if you have C++20, I think it's 20, not 23, but there's another way you can write this because now we have this local variable called DFS. So then just call it like this. So you reference itself again. But yeah, I'll ignore this. But yeah, that's basically how you call it DFS. So this is a second way to write DFS if you have a higher C++ standard. So then you do this auto self. So everything is almost identical except this keyword. This is called deducing this. It basically references the object. And this auto just handles any references or whatever. So now you can just pass it in like this. You don't even need to say anything for the self parameter. It's automatically filled in by the compiler. So you can do it this way if you don't want to introduce any variables you don't want. Otherwise, you can do like auto DFS and then auto DFS2, DFS3, and so on. So that's the main thing. So yeah, I thought I would share this with you because some people they have something called the Y Combinator, something with, but you don't really need that when this feature is already built in. So yeah, thanks for watching.